Good day, future employers. My name is Eselme Sipolvida. I am 28 years old, single from the Philippines. I graduated nursing aide and caregiver last 2022. As caregiver, my main job is to provide proper care for the client or patient. It includes giving them their medication, monitoring their vital signs and making sure everything is normal, bathing and feeding them, and helping or assisting them with their daily exercise or activities, and making sure that they are eating healthy and nutritious food according to their diet and their doctor's prescription. My first nanny experience was in the Philippines. I worked for local family from 2014 to 2016. My job is to take care of a 5-year-old girl, send and fetch to school, and prepare her meals. And then after that, I will clean the house and do the laundries. The second experience was still in the Philippines. I was a nanny of 2 boys, but I also need to clean the house and cook for them. I worked for them for since 2016 until 2021. And then last 2000 December 2021 until March 2025, I worked in Singapore as a domestic helper or a nanny. My job there is to take care of a pet and maintain the cleanliness of the house, making sure everything is tidy and organized, wash the cars, clean the pool area, make sure that the bathrooms, the living rooms, everything in the house is clean. I'm forever thankful to all the family and employers that accepted me and gave me the chance to work and provide my service for them. As for the future employers, thank you for the consideration and for watching my video. If I'll be selected and hired, I promise to provide the best service that I can and respect the rules, values, and culture of the country that I'm looking forward to be part of in my next journey. Thank you.